sits on top of skin only does have nutrient moisture, which can nourish deep down. Dove Body Wash with nutrient moisture. Superior natural nourishment for your skin.
At Angie's List, you get real reviews written by real people in over 500 categories, from home repairs to healthcare.
Now, when I read the reviews, I look for contractors that have lots of reviews. I want to understand quality. I want to understand value. And so, hire the right guy the first time.
That was your foot, honey.
Product a lot faster. And that was my experience.
You can choose from the very best just by going to Angie's List. So join today.
I joined Angie's List because I really wanted to hire contractors that I could trust.
Hi, Mom. I got it.
Bravo, Alex. You're officially an actor. And not just dog walker and fire driver, but mostly an actress. You just booked the coveted role of prosecuting number 4.
My line is latte, please. I don't know if she's French, you know?
Jesus,
his phone. She takes it. Why do they still have it in there?
Get unlimited